Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator is a free AI generator platform where you can create AI art just with your words. So Image Creator from Designer helps to generate images based on erased with AI. So to use Bing Image Creator, first you need to go to Google search bar, then search for Bing Image Creator. Then you just have to go to the Bing Image Creator for Microsoft Designer. After opening this window, you just have to click on Join and Create here for this. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account here. So after log in with your Microsoft account, you will be in this window with the Microsoft Bing Image Creator here. People are creating lots of AI art. Industry platform here. So to create a free AI art here, you need to put text here or as a sentence as you wish. For example, if I put a text here, for example, I'm going for a simple prompt here, panda in a car. Then you just have to click Create Hair. As you can see, I have only 13 token hair every day. This will give you 15 token to create art duration, and if you run out the token, use the imagination may take longer. As you can see, my images are here. So my prompt was bundle in a car. So if I just click on this images look pretty good to me. So if you want to download this images, you can see there's a download option here. So if I just click on it, it will automatically download on my PC. So this is the real image here, and is look pretty high resolution to me. But this image looks like a 2D cartoon here. I owned a 3D version of this image here. So if I close it here, again panda in a car. So this time I put down 3D Pixar version. So just click on Creator. Now this is the 3D animation version here. So as you can see, this time I used 3D Pixar version. Each created me a 3D animation version of the Pandani car prompt here. So this all looks pretty good here. So if I close it, and in the right here, you can see there's a recent option here. This will show you all the previous images that you have created in AI art generator in the Bing Image Creator. So this is very easy to use. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more detail like this. And thank you for watching.